dito yan. Dito, yan.
Oh, ito yung pangalawang kabanata ng
Kabanata na agad. Ito.
Brownies.
Ito muna, pakita mo muna yung unang finished, not yet finished product.
Uncooked.
Oh,
Uncooked. This is the first
raw water.
raw water. First procedure. Open the magic mix.
Yeah, when you open it,
Which is
Duncan
Duncan
Hines.
Han. Imported from
Japan.
India.
Duncan Han, German. When you
Tama ka,
Open.
Duncan Hines eh.
Pour.
pour,
Pour.
pour,
F-O-R. Pour everything
Pour.
in the mix bowl.
pour in the mix bowl.
Yes.
Then, when you
You get small, pour everything.
pour, when you pour it,
When you pour it,
Add with
make
the-
sure,
little smile.
there
Which,
is no leftover. Otherwise, you have to eat it.
yes. Don't make a mess, you know.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay,
Then?
assistant,
Lagyan mo sa gitna.
Claudie,
Put on the side.
you can still use this.
Yes, set aside.
Set aside that. You on the side.
Then,
Add
you add
Crack 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
large 2 eggs.
Large
Eggs.
egg and 1
Egg S, kasi dalawa eh.
Tama na.
Float, float.
Half a
I will get the
half a
water.
cup. Half a cup of water.
Okay, ibalik.
Ibenta itong bibili natin.
Ibalik sa agency. Ibalik sa agency yan. Sablay.
Half a cup of cooking oil.
Cooking oil.
But
Corn.
not
Corn or, you can use all
Basta vegetable oil.
vegetable oil.
Any oil. Any oil.
Tapos, 1/4 cup of water.
Water. Sweet
Don't
water.
throw the water.
Sweet
Mix.
water, ha?
Mix.
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 The best part.
Mm.
Ano mo muna yung ano?
Ayan.
You mix it? Uh,
Make sure to beat the egg
okay.
first.
Beat.
And then,
Tigas yan.
Five
and then
round per
be
minute.
careful because
Careful with my heart.
with my heart.
This big curve.
The best part
Yes?
is when it's mixed up and very juicy, you put it on the head of your dick and say, "Look, Mom, I am a corn burglar."
That is the best part.
That's the yummiest part.
Oh, and
Yeah.
then you have your boyfriend clean it.
Oh, you got wrong. 10 rounds per minute. See?
Now, for those who have
Nuts. What do you call that? Almonds.
Hindi. Pikan yan. Pikan
Oh,
yan.
peacock nuts.
Pikan. Pikan. Pikan.
Pihikan.
Pecan nuts.
Pihikan nuts. Pihikan.
May
Pihikan.
mga arthritis. Ayan. Tamang-tama para.
No thanks.
For you, Ted.
Wala dito, Tommy.
After a while.
Tumigas na. Nahirapan na.
Hindi na natin kailangan. Ay, oo nga, matigas.
Nahirapan na.
Kailangan na natin
Oh.
Hindi na pwedeng lutuin to, matigas na.
Oh, pwede na. Pwede nang panibago ulit.
Free hit the expensive oven at
150
focus mo
150 degrees.
Yes.
Focus it.
Make sure
You focus. Tanggal na tayo pindutin.
it's clean.
Nagre-record ka ba?
Clean and
4 minutes and 22 seconds.
okay. And make pokpok the nuts.
Crack the nuts.
Crack the nuts using a hammer.
Bitter.
Baroque bitter.
And then magyosi ka muna tayo. Ang hirap pala ginagawa nila ano? Grabe.
Natasakino.
Parang ang dali-dali.
Dami rin mga assistant naman yun.
Oh.
Tayo naman eh wala.
Dalawa nga assistant ko. Kinaboy pa yung tubig.
Bagsak.
And some defecated. Make sure you wash your hands
Oh.
in and out.
Yeah.
Before in and out.
Wash your hands before
In and
in
out.
and out.
with desiccated coconut.
So glum and
Don't
very, very pushy. Malululuto to. Hindi pa tayo nakakainom. Bangag na tayo, putay.
very push and
So glum.
so glam. Wow. Look. Hindi pa naluto, delicious na.
And then, baden.
Baden.
Buka mo, batin.
Put in the
For everything.
4, not 5.
On a line. Line baking sheet.
Line.
Like,
Line.
not only shit. But it should be baking shit.
Oh, shit. What they call that? Bullshit.
Like a bullshit. Ikaw nga, putay. hindi na hindi natin may pa-publish to sa TFC. Diyos ko.
Ilagay natin sa ano
Dadali tayo
yan.
ng sensor niya.
Puro shit.
Matadali tayo ng MTRCB.
Ayoko na, sakit ang ulo ko.
Okay.
Magana na ako sa kanya.
Ay, Diyos ko po.
Ang hirap pala ng ginagawa ni
Oo.
Cherise de Pilin.
Oo.
Diyos ko po, hindi pala guess ng ganun lang.
Oo.
Kailangan. Pero,
Okay.
in fairness, impromptu talaga.
Hayop na yun.
Ayan, oh.
Sakit ng tiyan ko eh. O dali, kunan mo rin yung paghuhugas ni Juanito.
Okay.
The only good thing, you use only one
One.
bowl.
Wow.
And one,
One. Stair.
Spatula.
Spatula.
Sa akin lang yan.
Spatula.
Hinihingot pa kayo.
Pwede naman eh. Pwede.
Nice.
Ano sabi dun sa box? Isang oras ba? 38?
Mm.
45 minutes?
45 minutes.
Clean it with your tongue.
I'm going to...
Bake in a 45 in
Bake.
350 degree oven for 45 minutes.
Okay. 45 minutos, kag.
Para sa init na 350 sentigrado.
Sentigrado.
Correct? Tama ba?
Mm.
Huwag mo papatayin yan ha. I-ano mo lang, post mo lang kasi papakita natin yung finished product
Oh.
after 45 minutes.
Oo.
Okay, after 45 minutes.
Oo.
Tapos
Habang
pause.
Habang naguhihintay, naguhugas, magyoyosi muna.
Inglesin mo. Alam mo yan. Simula na sa English.
Tagalog, guys.
Wala akong dictionary, nadala.
May Franklin si Mike. Webster's.
Paano stop?
Hindi pula din.
Alright. Okay. Oh, picture. Yan na.
Picture ba
Agad
yan?
tayo picture.
Picture ba yan? Picture muna.
Yan mga nagluto ng
Sige.
after 45 minutes of advertisement.
Wala pa.
Hindi pa.
Pa-advertise
Oh,
na natin.
bullshit is done.
Cheers for the...
Oh.
Ang sakit na ng
Okay.
pangaputang ina yan. Isa pa.
Cheers. Okay.
Teka, teka.
What? Okay. Okay.
Teka, isa pa.
One victory shout. Woo!
Cheers for the shit.
Yan ang mga nagluto ng brownies.
Brown na brown, no?
Oh, brown.
nakita mo yung kinunan ko ng picture doon kina Belma? Ang ganda ng chop suey ng dala mo. Berdeng-berde yung ano.